Hi guys, how can you create a retro VHS photo effect in Photoshop? First, create a copy of the image layer. Now go to Filter, Pixelate, Crystallize. Set cell size 4, press OK. Then go to Filter, Blur, Surface Blur. Apply these settings. Radius 25, threshold 8, press OK and wait for the effect to render. Next, duplicate the image layer. Turn off the layer, select the first layer. Go to Filter, Gallery, Film Grain. Apply these settings. Grain, the WL2. Highlight area, 0 intensity, 4, press OK. Next go. Image adjustment, select curves. Note the setting of curves, adjust it accordingly. Now turn the top layer back on. Go to Image Adjustments, Invert. Change the blending mode of this layer to difference. Lower the opacity to around 16%. Next, add a noise or VHS texture. Go to File, Place Embedded, and insert the texture image. Press Ctrl+T, right-click, and choose Distort. Stretch and adjust the texture to cover the entire image. Set the texture layer's blending mode to Vivid Light. Lower the opacity to around 42. Finally, hold Shift and select all the effect layers, then press Ctrl+G to place them into a group. And that's it. This is before and this is after. This is how you can create a retro VHS photo effect in Photoshop.